Welcome you all. Today we are here with another topic, and this time it is sounds in connected speech. This topic is from the contents of the subject Phonetics and English Phonology, English Code 203. We already have conducted 11 lectures in this our lecture series program, and this is our lecture 12th. We are going to talk about what is connected speech and their examples, and what are the types or ways we make connected speech. So, without a further go, let's talk about our today's topic. Here is the definition of the topic, and this definition is taken from English book English Phonetics and Phonology, written by Peter Roach. And according to this book, the continuous stream of sounds in a spoken language, usually without clear boundaries between words. So, when we use words, we don't make boundaries between the words. We use a connected speech in different way. For example, there is a sentence we use: they are here and they want to eat. But if we analyze this connected speech, there are so many words we use and they might be pronounced differently. For example, they are here. But when we are making a connected speech, we don't use like this. We say they are here and they want to eat. But we say and they want to eat. Or even we could say and they want to eat. So this is actually what we are trying to say, that we use such form of words in connected speech. For example, I'll see you next week. We don't use individual words of this sentence. So this is what connected speech is. Here in connected speech, sounds can be influenced by the sounds that come before and after them. So in connected speech, sounds or pronunciation of words that come before or after may be affected. One common phenomena in connected speech is assimilation, where sounds are changed to become more similar to nearby sounds. So one of the examples of connected speech or way of connected speech is assimilation, where sounds are been affected or they change their pronunciations in connected speech. For example, that boy, the t sound in that boy become a p sound to match the following ba sound in boy, resulting in that boy. So despite of we use t, we use sometimes p in connected speech, or likely between t and pa. It is affected because of the very next pronunciation or the phoneme ba. Here is another example. Similarly, in the phrase goes to, the za sound in goes may become an sa sound to make the following ta sound in t, resulting in goes to. So sometimes we don't pronounce goes. We in connected speech we may use goes to. Despite of the sound, we may use in connected speech sa sound. So such assimilation is one of the ways of connected speech. Connected speech is a spoken language in a continuous sequence as a normal conversation. It is also called connected discourse. There is often a significant difference between the way words are pronounced in isolation and the way they are pronounced in the context of connected speech. In connected speech, words or syllables are clipped, phrases are run together, and words are stressed differently than they would be in writing. So, in connected speech, according to this text, that words they may be significantly pronounced differently. Connected speech, one of the characteristics of connected speech is deletion or clipping of sounds that occurs when words run together. For example, what is that clipping or deletion? We use want to individual words, but sometimes we say wanna. So this is one of the way how connected speech is made. Or for example, the word is going to but they may be pronounced sometimes are used gonna. R, rock and roll. We sometimes may say rock and roll. There are so many ways to make connected speech. Number one, assimilation. We may call it sounds change. The other is elision. We may say it sounds lost. And number three, intrusion or liaison, sounds are aided. Number four, that linking. And number five, that weak forms. So these are actually the ways, and these all ways are to be explained, are made their elaboration in the very next our lecture series program. Thanks for attention. Thank you very much. Hopefully, this would have been very helping for all of you.